Imagine a computer that can think, plan, and act all on its own. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's not. It's called an AI agent, and it's already here, quietly changing the world around us. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what AI agents are, see where they're already being used, and explore what this incredible technology means for your future. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI agent? Simply put, an AI agent is a program that does answer your questions. It actually takes action to achieve goals. Think of it like a super smart digital assistant that can handle complex tasks for you automatically. It's not just about getting information, it's about getting things done. From scheduling all your meetings for the week to analyzing massive sets of data. These agents are designed to be proactive. How do they do it? It all comes down to a simple autonomous process. First, there's goal setting. An AI agent is given a clear objective it needs to achieve. Next comes decision-making. It analyzes the situation and chooses the best possible actions to reach that goal. Then, it uses its tools and interacts with its environment. This could mean using apps on your phone, browsing the web, or even controlling other software. Finally, and this is the really cool part, it has memory and learning capabilities. It remembers what worked and what didn't, constantly improving itself over time. This cycle of goal setting, deciding, acting, and learning makes them self-sufficient and incredibly independent. You might be surprised to learn that you've probably already interacted with AI agents without even realizing it. AI writing assistants like AutoGPT or even advanced ChatGPT plugins are a great example. In the world of finance AI, trading bots are making split-second decisions, analyzing market trends faster than any human ever could. In healthcare, they're helping doctors with diagnosis support and monitoring patients' health in real time, even in your own home. Smart assistants that automatically adjust your lights, temperature, and order groceries are a form of AI agent. They are the invisible helpers working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. Now, what does this mean for the future of work? The rise of AI agents will definitely change things. They're going to take over many of the repetitive, boring tasks that fill up our days, freeing us up to focus on more creative and strategic work. They'll also assist in creative fields, helping artists, writers, and designers generate new ideas and speed up their workflow. And for those who are tech-savvy, this creates a whole new world of opportunities. Here is a big tip for you: learning how to use and direct AI. Agents right now will give you a massive advantage in the years to come. So, how is an AI agent different from the normal AI we're used to, like a standard chatbot? A normal AI is great for answering specific questions, but it needs constant input from you to do anything. It's a tool for short-term help. An AI agent, on the other hand, acts independently. You give it a long-term goal and it works autonomously with minimal human supervision to achieve it. This is why AI agents aren't just another tool, they're complete game changers. The impact is going to be huge. Businesses will run more efficiently than ever before. Scientific research will accelerate as AI agents analyze data and run simulations at incredible speeds. They'll even help us manage complex systems like entire cities and their energy grids. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. People like Elon Musk and other top experts have warned that while autonomous AI is powerful, humans must always remain in control. We need to ensure these systems are developed and used ethically and responsibly. But let's be clear, AI agents are not here to replace humans. They are here to augment our abilities to help us work smarter, faster, and solve problems we never could before. Those who take the time to understand and embrace this technology early on will have a significant advantage in the near future. It's an exciting new frontier, and we're just at the beginning. If you learned something new about AI agents today, please give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss another update on the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.